Welcome to the station at River Crossing. My name's Mac, and I'm going to show you our 2-bedroom model. So when you first walk in, you'll see our kitchen. It is a very large open floor plan. It comes with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and hardwood floors throughout the apartment. Our fridge has French doors. Has plenty of space inside. Also, it comes with an ice and water dispenser. Right next to it is our sink. It does have a faucet with a sprayer in. Also, deep sinks. It comes with a garbage disposal as well. Also, all of our kitchens come with a dishwasher and stove and microwave. You'll see we have our laundry room, which does come with a full-size washer and dryer. That is included in the rent price. And all of our 2 bedrooms and even our 1 bedrooms come with an option of an extended sunroom or a patio. Our model displays the patio. Over here you'll see our guest room. This is the guest bedroom. It has 12-foot vaulted ceilings. All of our apartments also have LED recessed lighting, but in our bedrooms you'll see we have our ceiling fans. And then also it does have a nice sized walk-in closet. Right across the hallway is the guest bathroom. And then on the other side of the apartment is the master bedroom. Attached to the master bedroom is, of course, your master bathroom. And as you walk through, you'll see your master closet. It is a very nice sized walk-in closet. And then you even have your linen shelving here in the master bathroom. Well, that concludes the tour of the 2-bedroom model. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is the station at River Crossing.